In today's video, we're gonna look at another part of a sentence that you might confuse as the subject, and these are the appositives or appositive phrases. To find a subject in a sentence, we have to look for the noun or pronoun that the sentence is all about. We usually ask the question who or what is doing the action, but sometimes an appositive or appositive phrase can make it difficult for you to find the real subject. But what is an appositive? An appositive is a noun or a noun phrase placed beside the noun or pronoun they identify, rename, or explain. In other words, an appositive is a bonus information of the real subject. Here's an example. The reporter, Harvey, confirmed the rumor. In this sentence, we can see two nouns before the verb confirmed. But only one noun must be the real subject. So, we have to identify and cross out the appositive. Here, the proper noun Harvey is an added information about the reporter. It renames it. Therefore, the true subject is the noun reporter. Let's have another example. John Kennedy, the popular US president, was known for his eloquent and inspirational speeches. This time, we have to find the appositive phrase. What do you think is the appositive phrase in this sentence? Obviously, the popular US president is the appositive phrase that we need to cross out since it only gives an additional information about the real subject, which is John Kennedy. Now, appositives or appositive phrases are not the only ones that you need to look out for when finding the real subject. Another enemy in finding the real subject is the prepositional phrase. Find out in this video here about how to eliminate prepositional phrases in order to find the real subject. And if you like this video, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel.